guys and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to do an inspired look from the movie Raazi. So starting off with the primer, I'm applying the Backlight Filming Primer from Becca Cosmetics. I'm just applying it all over my face and it gives an instant glow, which is beautiful because we're achieving a very natural look today. Next, I'm applying a serum just to add on to the glow and to moisturize my skin as well. We're not going to use any foundation for this look. Moving forward, we're going to apply some orange corrector to areas of pigmentation and spots, as I've recently broken out quite a lot. So I'm just applying that and trying to even it out. Next, we're going to apply some concealer. This one's from Becca Cosmetics and it's in the shade Honeycomb, and I'm applying it everywhere I applied the orange corrector, and I'm just going to first layer it out with my finger and then use a beauty blender. As you can already tell, my skin looks even and no foundation is actually required. Next, we're going to do our brows, and I'm using a brow powder for this one because she's kept her brows very natural. So I'm just mixing the grey and the black shade, and I'm filling in my brows very lightly. This is what it looks like after concealer and brows. Next, we're going to apply some brown eyeshadow to the lower lash line. I wanted to give a little more depth, so I went in with a darker brown eyeshadow. Applying the same darker brown eyeshadow to very close to my lash line on my lid, and smudging it out. Taking a baby pink eyeshadow, I'm applying it all over the lid just to add some color and pigmentation to it. Next, we're going to apply some kohl, but make sure it's a very thin layer and not a very thick layer on your waterline. I didn't want the kohl to look very stark, so I just went in with a black eyeshadow and smudged it out. So she wears a mascara throughout the movie just to enhance the lashes a bit. I've done the same thing. She's playing a Kashmiri girl, which is why their cheeks are always very pink. So I've applied a little extra of the blush on my cheek and even contoured a bit because you don't want your face to look like having no depth and definition at all. So just contouring my forehead and a little bit of my cheekbones. Obviously we couldn't do without the highlighter, so keeping it very low, I've applied a little bit of highlighter. This one's from Becca Cosmetics in the famous shade Opal. Applying a pink lipstick to my lips, but Again, she had very subtle lipstick going on, so that's exactly what I've done. Kept it very, very light. Adding some jewelry to complete the look, and I used a bindi as my nose ring because obviously I don't have a nose that's pierced and I didn't have anything to wear, so I just used a bindi. And this is a blue dupatta which I stole from my mum, so that belongs to her, but it's beautiful. So this is the completed look, guys. I hope you liked watching it, and we finally have the winners of the giveaway. Congratulations, you guys. Lots of love. Take care. Bye bye.